What's up, Mavericks? If your business gives advice, provides a service, or works directly with clients, you don't just need insurance, you need protection for when a mistake turns into a claim. Even if you do everything right, one mistake, one misunderstanding, or one unhappy client can turn into a lawsuit. And that's exactly what professional liability insurance, also known as E&O, is built for. This coverage protects you against claims of negligence, mistakes, missed deadlines, or work that doesn't deliver what a client expected. So today I'm breaking down 5 of the best professional liability insurance providers for small businesses based on coverage, ease of use, and overall value. So let's kick it off with our first pick. At number 5, we've got Nationwide. Nationwide is one of the most established insurance providers in the country. And while it has a lot going for it, it really stands out for its flexibility. You're not just buying a basic E&O policy here. Nationwide's professional liability coverage is designed to protect your business if a client claims your work caused financial harm, whether that's an error, a missed deadline, or even a misunderstanding. Where Nationwide stands out is how customizable that protection is. You can add endorsements and bundle E&O with other policies like general liability or cyber insurance, which is especially useful if your business has more complex risks. Now, the trade-off is that Nationwide isn't the most modern or streamlined experience on this list. It's a more traditional insurer, so getting quotes and managing policies can take a little more time. But if you want customizable coverage from one of the top carriers in the nation, Nationwide is a solid place to start. Next up is biBERK, a provider that's backed by Berkshire Hathaway and carries an A++ rating from AM Best. That's about as strong as it gets in terms of financial backing. What makes biBERK stand out is its direct-to-business model. You're buying straight from the insurer, no brokers or middlemen, which usually means lower premiums. biBERK offers professional liability insurance that covers claims of negligence, errors, or failure to deliver service as promised, which is exactly what E&O is meant to protect against. With biBERK, you can get a quote online quickly, customize your policy, and manage everything yourself. biBERK's professional liability coverage is also available in all 50 states. The trade-off is that the experience is a bit more hands-on. You're not getting as much guidance or built-in support compared to some of the other providers. But if your goal is to get solid E&O coverage at a competitive price, biBERK is one of the most cost-effective options in the industry. Coming in at number 3 is Hiscox. Hiscox is one of the best options for freelancers and independent contractors, especially if you need coverage quickly. Hiscox specializes in professional liability insurance for service-based businesses, covering things like mistakes in your work, missed deadlines, or claims that your advice caused financial loss. Hiscox also tailors E&O coverage to your specific industry, whether you're a consultant, IT professional, or creative, which is a big advantage if your work comes with unique risks. You can apply online, get a quote in minutes, and even get coverage the same day. That's huge if you've got a client who needs proof of insurance before signing a contract. Now, while Hiscox is great for individuals and small teams, it's not always the best fit for larger or more complex businesses. But if you want fast, straightforward coverage that's built around your profession, Hiscox is one of the easiest ways to get it. Before we move into our top 2 picks, let's pause for a second. Picking the right insurance is more than just finding coverage that fits your budget. It's also about finding the right coverage for your business. So it's worth it to take the time to research your options, starting with Merchant Maverick Reviews. We have comprehensive reviews of all 5 providers on this list, breaking down everything from coverage options to pricing and customer support. So make sure to check those out. They're all linked in the description. All right, now back to the list. Next up in the number 2 spot is the Hartford. The Hartford is built for scaling businesses that need more comprehensive coverage. This carrier offers a wide range of business insurance policies, including professional liability, general liability, cyber insurance, and workers' comp. That gives you a lot of flexibility to build coverage around how your business actually operates. The Hartford's professional liability policies are built to protect against claims of negligence, errors, or omissions in your services, which becomes more important as your client base and exposure grow. There's also 24/7 claims reporting, which is something you don't always get with traditional insurers. The Hartford isn't the fastest or simplest platform to use. It's more traditional in how you get quotes and manage policies, but is a great option if you're growing and need coverage that can scale with you. And taking the number 1 spot is ERGO Next. ERGO Next, formerly Next Insurance, is one of the fastest growing insurance providers for small businesses, and it's easy to see why. Everything is built around speed and simplicity. Its professional liability coverage is designed for small businesses that provide services or advice, protecting you if a client claims your work caused financial loss. You can get a quote, customize your policy, and be covered in minutes, all online without dealing with agents or paperwork. It's also rated A+ by AM Best, so you're getting strong financial backing along with that ease of use. And when it comes to claims, the process is just as straightforward. You log in, explain what happened, and get assigned a claims advocate to guide you through it. That combination, fast setup, strong E&O coverage, and a fully digital experience makes ERGO Next the best overall choice for most small businesses. If you're ready to get started, just click the link in the description to start your quote. And at the end of the day, all of these providers can protect your business, but it just comes down to how much support you need and how you want to manage it. Make sure to check out our full reviews at merchantmaverick.com to get the full story on these providers. And if you're still exploring your options, I've also linked our video breakdowns of the best small business insurance and the best general liability insurance. So make sure to check those out as well. Take a look at those, figure out what fits your business best, and make sure you're protected before you actually need it. The best policy is the one you never have to think about because it's already doing its job. So thanks for watching, Mavericks. I'll see you in the next video.